review. Actually, this is a new place here in Lapu-Lapu. We will just place the exact location is under the comments below, so just check it out. Now, let's have a review. Atong tanawon kay ingon nila indot daw kuno siya nga place nga stayhan, especially sa katong gusto maglibot-libot din sa Lapu-Lapu. Okay mga aras, so join me. Let's go. These are the households of Murals Hostel and Cafe, mga adas. You can actually stay here, and these are the things that you should know. And these are some of the things that you will, if ganahan mo, since tamo din sa Murals, ni sila ilang mga ipag-usad. And this is the location kung panalitan gusto mo tour around Cebu province. Mga anas, naata sa third floor, and this is one of their suite rooms. And dali ko yubi ko at ang tanaw ng sunod. Okay, tarong kamao ko. And this is the suite room. Here you go. Ano sila nilahang suite room, mga aras. Ilang bed. Diba ni ka, sa queen sa adi ni Philippine size, double, ano siya. And aside from that, this is the restroom. And mga din kata sila ng nasa liwata. Kung di kayo kanit, maglawin-hagoy. Maglawin-layo ng tagpuan. Di daw, actually, nice ra siya nga stayhan. Labi na kung naamo naglaag mo diri sa puan. Nya murag alanganin na inyong pag-uli. Pwede ra diri sa Murals Hostel and Cafe.
Elevator.
9-4 na 6.
Mas nice sa ilang third down na branch.
Hala, ka-cute sa
Japit.
lubot.
Sa Rancon.
Dito.
Watch my YouTube kidi.
Kasambag.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
And yes, mga adas, naata diri ron sa reception area, and I have here Miss Livian, and we'll be inviting you all.
Hello Adas of Ma2ke TV. I'm inviting you all to come and visit here in Murals Hostel and Cafe at Ma2ke branch. As per location and room rates, you can check the video description below.
Yes, it's right down there mga adas. So, kamo diha kung kinsa to dinhang naglaag-laag diri sa Mactan ay nagkinahanglan mo og kastayhan, visit Murals Hostel and Cafe. Now, Miss Livian, thank you so much of course for your time. And yes, puhon. Arita din eh.
Didn't even get to cross.